Today we are going to harvest DNA from our cheek cells, and we choose to use cheek cells because they multiply a lot, so we have plenty of them to use. Start by chewing the inside of your cheeks for 30 seconds, and this will get all the cells for you. Then put 3 milliliters of water into your mouth and swish it around to get all your cheek cells, and then spit it out into a cup. Do not swallow the water. Then transfer the water back into the 15 milliliter tube. Then using a pipette, 2 milliliters of the lysis buffer into the test tube. This is a detergent and it will break open the cells. Then put the cap onto your tube. Invert it 5 times. Just turn it upside down and back. Do not shake the tube. This will lyse the cells. 2. Take the protease from the ice box and add 5 drops of it into the test tube. The protease breaks down the proteins, but it does not break down the DNA. Five drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you are going to put it back into the ice box and put the cap on. Invert it 5 times to mix gently. Then place it in the 50-degree water bath, Celsius, for 10 minutes to allow it to work. Next, you are going to take the alcohol out of the ice box, so it should be cold. You're going to tilt your test tubes on a 45-degree angle and let the alcohol slowly drip down the side. You're going to need 10 milliliters of the alcohol. What the alcohol does is make the DNA precipitate, which makes it come together easier for us to see with the naked eye. Then place the test tube in the stand and leave it undisturbed for 5 minutes. Ta-da! Now, after 5 minutes, if you look in the middle, you can see white stringy DNA. Now, we're going to invert it slowly 5 times. The stringy white or clear material is your DNA.